In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through step-by-step methods to fix a water-damaged Android and rescue your data. Part 1. How to fix a water-damaged Android. 6 steps. The key to fixing a water-damaged Android is to act fast and avoid any actions that could worsen the damage, like turning it on or using heat. Follow these 6 sequential steps to give your phone the best chance of recovery. Step 1. Power off at once. When your Android phone gets exposed to water, the first step is to turn it off immediately. Keeping it on can cause short circuits inside. Press and hold the power button to force a shutdown and prevent further damage to the internal components. Step 2. Remove strip accessories. After turning off the phone, remove accessories like the case, SD card, and SIM card. These items can trap moisture and may get damaged. Removing them aids in the drying process and prevents further harm. Keep the SIM and SD card safe and dry for reuse once the phone is fixed. Step 3. Dry the exterior gently. Once accessories are removed, gently blot and wipe the phone's exterior with a soft, absorbent cloth or paper towels to remove visible water. Avoid rubbing or pressing too hard to prevent pushing water deeper into the device. Focus on areas like the charging port, headphone jack, and buttons, as they can trap moisture. Step 4. Place phone in a sealed container with silica gel packets. Place the phone in a sealed container, such as a plastic bag or airtight box, with silica gel packets to absorb remaining moisture. Seal the container and let the phone sit for 24–48 hours to dry completely. Step 5. Just let the phone dry a day or two. Patience is crucial. Even if the phone looks dry, there could still be water inside. Allow it to dry for at least 24–48 hours without powering it on, as turning it on could cause a short circuit. The longer it sits, the better the chances of removing all moisture. Step 6. Take the device to a technician. If your phone doesn't power on or works abnormally after drying, it may need professional repair. A technician can inspect and clean internal components or replace damaged parts. If you're unsure, it's best to have a professional handle the repair. Part 2. How to rescue data from a water-damaged Android phone. If your Android phone gets water damaged, don't worry about losing important data. You can use a professional tool like Broken Android Data Extraction to recover photos, videos, texts, contacts, and more. It's easy to use and effective, even if the phone's touchscreen is broken or unusable. Step 1. Launch the Broken Android Data Extraction software after you downloaded and installed it. Then, select Broken Android Phone Data Extraction from the left panel. Then, use a USB cable to connect your water-damaged Android phone to the computer. Step 2. Choose the fixing mode and click Start. Then choose the name and model number of your Android phone and click Confirm. If you are not sure about the information on your phone, you can click on the question mark. The program will show you how to find the information. Step 3. You will be asked to put your Android device into download mode. Just follow the on-screen prompts to put your wet Android phone in download mode. After that, the program will detect the phone and scan its data instantly. Step 4. You should look at the preview of messages to identify and select which ones you want to save. After the desired data has been selected, you can hit the Recover button to complete the process.